Now, today in Real Nigga 101.
You're so annoying. Stop.
Today in Real Nigga 101.
Onions.
I will be showing you how to decipher
Hello.
whether your friend is a bitch nigga or not. Hello. You see, as a real nigga, I get show them the door. As a real nigga, I get recognized everywhere I go. You feel me? But yes, you could bring it back to me. Please have a seat. I'm in the middle of a presentation. So you want to know if your friend is a bitch nigga or not? Well, for one, is he a nigga? See, to be a bitch
How do
nigga,
you spell jalapeno?
you must be a bitch plus nigga.
I know. Okay, pickles, jalapeno.
All right, that's equal to a B and
I got
bitch
it. I
nigga.
got it. Smile.
Which bitch being B and nigga being N. This is a terrible marker.
Mediterranean girl.
But yes, so this is how you find if your friend is a bitch nigga. All right. So how do you know if your friend is a nigga?
I'm hungry.
Well, most of the time, niggas are men. So if your friend is a male and black, don't forget they must be black. However, being black doesn't only mean you have to be black. For example, you could be white, but you could listen to Tupac.
But I thought B would stand for bitch.
I thought.
There you go.
You know? So you could be white, but listen to Tupac. That means you're black, but only one half. You know? So let's say there are two of these people, they could be a nigga. Either way, point is male plus black equal nigga. So if they had that out the way,
Yeah, David's.
they're already a nigga. This is also a terrible marker. What the fuck? Anyway. So now let's get to
Can you be Indian and listen to Tupac?
Indian people are mostly black anyway, but if you're Indian and listen to Tupac, you're black.
Thank you.
Alright.
Basically, I'm black, bro. I'm black.
Say nigga right now. Okay. But anyway, so here's what's next. Here's how to find out if your friend.
He's doing
is
an
a
equation,
bitch.
literally. He's literally doing.
Alright? One,
What about Michael Jackson?
they lie. No. Michael
Wait,
Jackson.
he changed his race.
He didn't change his race.
I'm so sorry. He changed his skin.
color.
Because he bleached himself.
But he had
incident.
he had vitiligo though.
Yeah, he had vitiligo.
So yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna let him do his thing.
Either way. So one, if your friend lies, that's a bitch move. But everybody lies. For example, you know, sometimes you just don't want to hurt your friend's feelings, so you tell them that they're cute when they're not. But, you know, if they lie a lot, that's one sure sign to tell if they're a bitch, you know. But for now, they're still a nigga. If they, I can't even say this hard enough. If they front, bro, niggas be fronting, bro. And if a nigga's fronting and lying, bro, that's two symptoms of being a bitch. Now, here's the final one. Like, for example, you know what fronting is? I feel like y'all don't know what fronting is. But anyway, fronting. Let me do this equation real quick. Fronting is to claim what one doesn't have. So basically, they will, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They will claim all of that. However, they got none of it. So therefore, it's multiplied by 0, meaning that fronting equals 0 because they have none of it. So they be fronting. That's number 1. All right? So lying plus fronting. Why the fuck are all these markers so terrible?
Because it's school markers.
Right?
Honestly.
So lying plus fronting. Now, what's the last thing to determine if your friend is a bitch nigga? S. Being a snake. If your friend is lying and fronting and being a snake, if this nigga has all 3 of these times all around negativity, he's a bitch. However, to be a bitch nigga, there's something else that must be in there. If your nigga is all of these, but lacks, watch this, N, L, plus F, plus S. If your nigga is all of these, but plus ST, plus static, he's a real nigga. Because he has the static to back it up. He has the static to balance the equation. So, let's go over this all again, all right?
Oh my god.
I'm going to summarize this all one last time, all right?
Don't you guys have studying to do?
No.
I'm going to summarize this one last time, all right? So, bitch plus nigga equals bitch nigga. What makes a bitch? Somebody who lies. Bitch equal lie plus front plus snake. That's a bitch.
Aren't you all timing that by something else as well?
Hold up. Times n is equal to bitch nigga. Remember, that's n. If you time that by n, that's bitch nigga. Remember. However, remember, real nigga is RN. Remember that. So, real nigga is equal to either nigga plus real or bitch, which is all of this, but times ST. No, not times ST. No, not times ST. Plus ST, because they got the static to back it up. They got the static to now balance the equation. They could be a bitch, they could lie, but they could come to you and be like, fuck is you gonna do about it, nigga? Facts. You feel me? So, that's bitch plus static times nigga. So you could be like, oh, they a bitch nigga, but fuck is you gonna do about it? You feel me? That's basically bitch nigga 101. I'm Professor Real Nigga, and it's been a good time. A question just came up. What is the equation for ST? ST is equal to H plus M. What's that? Hands plus mouth.
Hands plus mouth.
So your nigga can talk a lot of shit, but if he ain't got no hands, he ain't got no static. Your nigga can have hands, but if he's mad peaceful like me, he ain't got no static. But if a nigga got hands and mouth, you got the static. That's just it.
So he's handicapped. He can't be static.
You know what I mean by hands? Hands is like, what's good, nigga? What's good, nigga?
But he doesn't because he's crippled.
Stop the video. What's good, y'all? I know I haven't come out with an animation in a while. But like I said, I was going to do more than just animation. But my next animation is actually coming up pretty soon. It's about my experience at the DMV. Be on the lookout for that. Might take a month again. I ain't gonna hold you. I am in college, but we'll see. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. And I hope you have a good rest of the day or week or whenever you see this.